Good morning everybody. I will show you a vacuum glass. In this glass there is water and this is vacuumed by this little piece of cardboard. If I pull this cardboard, the water gets thrown away. Now I am filling this glass by water, and now I will put this little piece of cardboard on this glass. As you can see, I am doing tightly at the corners also. So what the vacuum is vacuum glass our is ready. As you are seeing that our vacuum glass is ready. My cardboard is wet, that's why the water is little coming out. But if you do with a tight cardboard, I am guaranteeing you that the water will not flow out. If you keep like this, all the water gets out. If you do like this, I'm sure no water will get out. And the vacuum is very important. If I do one hole here, our vacuum glass is ready. If I do one hole, the water will come out. If I do many holes, it will be a little shower. The vacuum glass is ready. This is for science projects. You can use in science lab for science projects. I have taken out the water. Thank you for seeing our vacuum glass. You can do without water. The glass is empty. No, we cannot do with empty water. Thank you for watching our program.